Welcome to our channel, where we provide honest and detailed product reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Before we dive into the review of the Grandstream GWN7660 AX1770 Wi-Fi 6 access point, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. The Grandstream GWN7660 is a powerful Wi-Fi 6 access point designed for both home and small to medium business environments. It offers an impressive aggregate wireless throughput of up to 1.77 gigabits per second, which ensures fast and reliable internet connectivity. Equipped with dual-band 2x2:2 MU-MIMO and DL/UL OFDMA technology, it efficiently manages multiple devices simultaneously, reducing latency and improving overall network performance. One of the standout features of this access point is its ability to support up to 256 concurrent Wi-Fi clients, making it ideal for environments with many connected devices. Coverage is also notable, with a range of up to 175 meters, allowing for extended wireless reach without the need for additional hardware. The device includes 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports, providing flexible wired connectivity options. Advanced QoS, quality of service, is integrated to prioritize bandwidth for real-time applications like video calls and gaming, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted performance. However, it's important to mention that the power adapter is not included with the GWN7660, so you will need to purchase this separately or use a compatible PoE, Power over Ethernet, setup. Pros of the Grandstream GWN7660 include its high throughput, extensive client support, long coverage range, and advanced Wi-Fi 6 features that future-proof your network. On the downside, the lack of an included power adapter might be inconvenient for some users, and the device is best suited for those comfortable with setting up network equipment. In summary, the Grandstream GWN7660 AX1770 Wi-Fi 6 access point is a robust and versatile choice for anyone looking to upgrade their wireless network with the latest technology. Don't forget, the purchase link with a special discount is pinned in the first comment below for your convenience.